Hi friends, today we discuss about English exercise 5. Prepositions. Welcome to our channel Dhaya Reading Point. Please like, share and subscribe our channel for providing more videos. Prepositions. Prepositions are words that connect different parts of a sentence. They tell us about the relationship between people, places and things. Prepositions can indicate time, place, direction, or introduce an object. Let us discuss prepositions in order. First we discuss about on. The prepositions on usage are it used to show the day or date and used to show the position of a person or object. The examples are 1. I will meet you on Sunday. This sentence shows that the prepositions on used to show the day. Yes, I will meet you on Sunday. Next, Raja sat on the bench. This sentence shows that the prepositions on used to show the position of a person or object. Yes, Raja sat on the bench. Next we discuss about in. The prepositions in usage are it shows part of the day, time, or it shows when someone or something is already inside position. The examples are 1. I drink milk in the morning. This sentence shows that the prepositions in shows part of the day, time, that is in the morning. Yes, I drink milk in the morning. 2. The cat is in the box. This sentence shows that the prepositions in shows when someone or something is already inside position, that is in the box. Yes, the cat is in the box. Next we discuss about into. The prepositions into is used when someone or something is changing location. Sunita is entering into the room. This sentence shows that the prepositions into used when someone is changing location, that is entering into the room. Yes, Sunita is entering into the room. Next we discuss about at. The prepositions at is used to shows the exact time. I met my friend at 7 p.m. This sentence shows that the prepositions at used to shows the exact time, that is at 7 p.m. Yes, I met my friend at 7 p.m. Do you understand, buddy? Hope you understand. Next we discuss about near. The prepositions near shows the position or location of an object with reference to some other things or place. The examples are 1. My house is near the station. This sentence shows that the prepositions near shows the location of an object my house with reference to the station. Yes, my house is near the station. 2. The hotel is near the airport. This sentence shows that the prepositions near shows the location of an object the hotel with reference to the airport. Yes, the hotel is near the airport. Next we discuss about towards. The prepositions towards is used to indicate direction. For example, we all walk towards the stage. Here, this sentence shows that the prepositions towards is used to indicate direction, that is towards the stage. Yes, we all walk towards the stage. Do you understand, buddy? Hope you understand. Next we discuss about of. The prepositions of is used to show belonging. For example, Kartik is the eldest son of Mr. Mohan. Here, this sentence shows that the prepositions of is used to show belonging, that is the eldest son of Mr. Mohan. Yes, Kartik is the eldest son of Mr. Mohan. Next we discuss about during. The prepositions during is used to show when something happens over a period of time. For example, Hema was coughing during the test. Here, this sentence shows that the prepositions during is used to show when during the test Hema was coughing. Yes, Hema was coughing during the test. Do you understand, buddy? Hope you understand. Next, fill in the blanks with the correct form of prepositions to complete the sentences. 1. Ramesh sat dash on or into his cycle. This sentence shows the position of a person Ramesh. Yes, the answer is Ramesh sat on his cycle. 2. The cat slept dash on or into the box. This sentence shows the position of an object. So, the answer is the cat slept on, into the box. 3. They walked dash towards or on each other. This sentence shows that the prepositions towards is used to indicate direction. So, the answer is they walked towards each other. 4. Sanjeev put the cake dash into or on the oven. This sentence shows that the prepositions into used when someone is changing location. So, the answer is Sanjeev put the cake into the oven. 5. I poured milk dash into or towards the cup. The prepositions into is used when something is changing location. So, the answer is, I poured milk into the cup. 6. Adira was sitting dash on or into the sofa. This sentence shows the position of a person Adira. Yes, the answer is, Adira was sitting on the sofa. 7. We played a game dash of or into hide and seek. This sentence shows that the prepositions of is used to show belonging. Yes, the answer is, we played a game of hide and seek. 8. The leaves dash of or towards the tree have become yellow. This sentence shows that the prepositions of is used to show belonging. Yes, the answer is, the leaves of the tree have become yellow. 9. My flight is dash on or in time. It will leave at 11:30 am. This sentence shows that the prepositions on is used to show the day or date. Yes, the answer is, my flight is on time. It will leave at 11:30 am. Do you understand, buddy? Hope you understand. Next, fill in the blanks with the prepositions in or on to complete the sentences. 1. The school starts at 9 o'clock am. We come every day dash time before the prayer. The answer is, the school starts at 9 o'clock am. We come every day in time before the prayer. 2. I left home early and arrived dash time to catch my bus. The answer is, I left home early and arrived in time to catch my bus. 3. We reached the auditorium dash time. The play was about to start. The answer is, we reached the auditorium on time. The play was about to start. 4. The play started. We reached dash time and saw the beginning of the movie. The answer is, the play started. We reached on time and saw the beginning of the movie. 5. I like people who are dash time. I do not like to wait. The answer is, I like people who are on time. I do not like to wait. 6. Sita left home early and arrived dash time to catch her train. The answer is, Sita left home early and arrived in time to catch her train. 7. Raju flight is dash time. It will leave at 12:10 pm. The answer is, Raju flight is on time. It will leave at 12:10 pm. Do you understand, buddy? Hope you understand. Fill in the blanks with the prepositions in or at to complete the sentences. 1. I am meeting Chandru dash on or at Tuesday. The answer is, I am meeting Chandru on Tuesday. 2. My birthday is dash in or on November. The answer is, my birthday is in November. 3. She was born dash in on 2016. The answer is, she was born in 2016. 4. Gopi completed school dash at or on the age of 16. The answer is, Gopi completed school at the age of 16. 5. My summer holiday starts dash in or at May. The answer is, my summer holiday starts in May. 6. The movie starts dash at or on 6 pm dash in or at the evening. The answer is, the movie starts at 6 pm in the evening. Do you understand, buddy? Hope you understand. Fill in the blanks with the correct prepositions to complete the sentences. 1. I eat dinner dash at or on 7:20 pm. The answer is, I eat dinner at 7:20 pm. 2. The goats walk dash towards or at each other. The answer is, the goats walk towards each other. 3. I have a doctor's appointment dash at or on 7 pm. The answer is, I have a doctor's appointment at 7 pm. 4. We have to be home by 6 dash in or on the evening. The answer is, we have to be home by 6 in the evening. 5. Radha is a friend dash of or at my sister. The answer is, Radha is a friend of my sister. 6. Ravi turned dash towards or at me and looked at me angrily. The answer is, Ravi turned towards me and looked at me angrily. Do you understand, buddy? Hope you understand. 7. We should cook in vessels made dash of or at steel. The answer is, we should cook in vessels made of steel. 8. Dash in or at the year 1947, India got its independence. The answer is, in the year 1947, India got its independence. 9. Dash in or at the party, there will be games and food. The answer is, in the party, there will be games and food. 10. Are you coming to the party dash of or on Sunday? The answer is, are you coming to the party on Sunday? 11. We walk dash towards or at the balloon stall. The answer is, we walk towards the balloon stall. 12. The birthday party is dash in or at 6 pm. The answer is, the birthday party is at 6 pm. Do you understand, buddy? Hope you understand. 13. Our parents will come to pick us up dash of or in the evening. The answer is, our parents will come to pick us up in the evening. 14. Gandhiji died dash in or at 1948. The answer is, Gandhiji died in 1948. 15. I will meet Kaving dash in or on Monday. The answer is, I will meet Kaving on Monday. 16. I want to improve my handwriting dash of or in 1 month. The answer is, I want to improve my handwriting in 1 month. 17. On the first page dash of or at the book, you can see the title. The answer is, on the first page of the book, you can see the title. 18. Krishna had a glass dash of or on apple juice. The answer is, Krishna had a glass of apple juice. Do you understand, buddy? Hope you understand. Next, complete the passage using the prepositions given below. In, on, of, towards, and, at. The final match between Gujarat Titans and Chennai Super Kings was dash Sunday dash 1 p.m. Dhoni walked dash the finishing end. He had failed to perform dash the important match. A lot depended dash him. By the time it was tea break, Chennai Super Kings struggle. But Chennai Super Kings win dash their 5th IPL Cup. The answer is, the final match between Gujarat Titans and Chennai Super Kings was on Sunday at 1 p.m. Dhoni walked towards the finishing end. He had failed to perform in the important match. A lot depended on him. By the time it was tea break, Chennai Super Kings struggle. But Chennai Super Kings win their 5th IPL Cup. Complete the passage using the prepositions given below. In, on, of, into, near, of, during, towards, and, at. Dash the quiet hours of the morning, Emma sat dash the porch swing, sipping her coffee. She looked dash the horizon, where the first rays dash sunlight were breaking through the clouds. A gentle breeze carried the scent dash blooming jasmine from the garden dash the fence. A small cat wandered dash the yard, then curled up dash a patch of sun beside her feet. The answer is, during the quiet hours of the morning, Emma sat on the porch swing, sipping her coffee. She looked towards the horizon, where the first rays of sunlight were breaking through the clouds. A gentle breeze carried the scent of blooming jasmine from the garden near the fence. A small cat wandered into the yard, then curled up in a patch of sun beside her feet. Complete the passage using the prepositions given below. In, on, of, into, near, of, during, towards, and, at. Dash the stormy night, a branch fell dash the roof of the old cabin. Inside, James huddled dash a blanket, listening to the wind howling dash the windows. The sound dash rain tapping the glass mixed with the creaking dash the wooden walls. Suddenly, a loud crash came from dash the front door. He rushed out dash the hallway, heart racing, unsure of what he might find. The answer is, during the stormy night, a branch fell on the roof of the old cabin. Inside, James huddled in a blanket, listening to the wind howling towards the windows. The sound of rain tapping the glass mixed with the creaking of the wooden walls. Suddenly, a loud crash came from near the front door. He rushed out into the hallway, heart racing, unsure of what he might find. Complete the passage using the prepositions given below. In, on, of, towards, and, at. The old woman sat by the window, watching the world go by. She saw children running dash the park, their laughter echoing dash the air. A dog, seemingly playful, bounded across the street, with its tail wagging frantically. She remembered her own childhood, full of adventures dash the park, and reminisced about the old houses in the bustling marketplace she used to see. She imagined her grandchildren playing dash the playground, just as she had done many years ago. The sun started to set, casting a warm glow dash the scene, and she smiled softly, remembering the warmth dash family gathered inside and the beauty dash the world outside. The answer is, the old woman sat by the window, watching the world go by. She saw children running towards the park, their laughter echoing in the air. A dog, seemingly playful, bounded across the street, with its tail wagging frantically. She remembered her own childhood, full of adventures in the park, and reminisced about the old houses in the bustling marketplace she used to see. She imagined her grandchildren playing on the playground, just as she had done many years ago. The sun started to set, casting a warm glow on the scene, and she smiled softly, remembering the warmth of family gathered inside and the beauty of the world outside. Do you understand, guys? Hope you guys understand well in prepositions. finally have an overview is in mind. Prepositions are words that connect different parts of a sentence. They tell us about the relationship between people, places and things. Prepositions can indicate time, place, direction, or introduce an object. Please like, share and subscribe our channel, Dhaya Reading Point for more videos. Keep learning guys. Have a nice day buddies. Thank you. Keep smiling.